So loving this color right now. My client purchased this headband wig for me, but she wanted it to be a more of a natural brown color, which is almost her natural color. And we can go in and add some highlights. So far I'm loving this natural brown. Originally it was a natural black, so I went in and gave her a little lift, and this is the color so far. So what I'm about to do now is go in and add the highlights. Very, very beautiful. The color is consistent and I'm loving it. Looks so natural, just like my client hair. This is what I do for my clients. Again, if you're looking to purchase a headband wig or any other bundles or wig, and you'll like to have your custom colored, then I'm here to do the job. So I had went in and did the four technique. So right now we're just waiting for it to process. So as you can see, I went in to add my own technique for the highlights. Y'all, it's level to this. Believe that. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look of the low light and highlights. And basically I went in and did a double process by coloring their hair first and then adding the highlights. And as you can see, the colors is throughout the wig. So no matter how, if you want to pull up the wig in a bun or a pony, the highlights you will still see throughout. And I am so loving this. I kept the hair more natural around the headband, all because I wanted to look more natural. Instead of adding more highlights around the headband, I just kept it more natural and then add the highlights throughout. So yes, she will love this. And again, the highlights are throughout the wig, like so. So I went in and add some leave-in condition, some curl enhancement, and we just basically gonna let her air dry. And this will be the finished look once she's completely dry. And again, this is the headband wig that you can purchase through me. And I also have this in different texture. And if you like to have it custom color, I can do that as well for additional fee. So I brought it outside so you can get a good look of what the color look like. This is your girl Bombshell with Beauty and Makeup.